in the morning. Hello, my friends. We have here, as you can see, Pedro making some cement. Juan. Hola, Juan.
Hola.
Look at this guy. I will ask him to show me some boobs, but now it's so cold. Enséñame una teta.
Una teta famosa.
This guy have some boobs. I'm telling you, guys. Awesome. Take it. Okay, so the deal is. Hola, Jose. The deal is going down, fix that wall. So, huh? Figure. So let's play this nice and easy, okay? Now, as you can see, I don't have any safety line because this wall it's right over here, so I be retarded to fall down over there. So I don't have any safety line. Too old. So I will go and take my chair and start preparing myself for the drop. I want to shout out for my boys, No Road, No Lives. Okay, they have a YouTube channel like I have. Oh, so guys, I want to talk to you about the what the fuck? ¿Qué haces, José? Acho, José, ¿qué coño haces?
Estoy pescando.
Vale. Today I will work with 2 ropes. That means I need 2 IDs. As you can see, I have a lot of pulleys. I have this guy over here, and of course my pedal over here, another pulley over here. Now you might asking, why do you have so many pulleys? I don't know, maybe I need them. My hand jumar over here. So, you know, I'm a little bit psychopath, isn't it? Well, in my line of job, I think you must be, because normally I don't make any mistakes, you know. Of course, I'm cutting corners, you know. As you sometimes know, I don't obey all the rules that IROTA make for us, you know. That not mean that I work dangerously, as some of the comments, you know. So I'm talking about mistakes, okay? So I have a problem, you know. I don't like that someone hurry me up, okay? I hate that. You might wonder why this rope it's next to my rope over here. Well, because I'm going down and I'm going that way over there, so my teammate will stay on this rope, on this portion of the wall. So Juanito, me bajas tú la cosa abajo, ¿no? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Me bajas la cosa? Acho, ¿me bajas la cosa, no?
Sí,
Vale, me voy ya para abajo.
la mochila.
No, cuando comemos. Now, the last week, my boss come to a job site and directly in my face and start asking me why this job it's so late, why it doesn't work, why it doesn't, you know.
Tata,
Hey,
¿yo puedo poner la cuerda aquí?
sí, ¿por qué no? Ponerlo allí. Hurry me up, you know, we have to finish this, we have to do that, we have to do this. So I got pissed off, which for me, being pissed off, it's a very big deal, because, you know, I'm not like other people, like, you know, you are a little upset and then this pass on and I am okay and I am fine. No. When I got upset, I will be upset a couple of weeks, because this is how my brain works. So, you know, my boss come, hey,
Sí,
¿qué pasa?
¿qué tiene primero?
Pues,
¿Cacharro?
bájame el cacharro, porfa. So he came and apologized and stuff like this, you know, because that was a mistake. Well, now I want to talk to you about mistakes. No, he will not. You know, I will not have any friction over there, because I have to go over there to fix that. So, you know, I made a mistake, so I don't believe in mistakes, you know, because in my brain, if I'm not allowed to make mistakes, neither are you, you know. Because in my case, making a mistake means that some of my teammates will die, you know. So normally, obviously, I don't make mistakes, because I am putting ropes for my teammates from about 10 years, and I have that on video for about 4 years, 3 years, so naturally I don't make mistakes that often, or almost never. So, you know, why should you apologize when you made a mistake, you know? Because imagine if I make a mistake, I cannot apologize. So, you know, oh, I'm sorry, you failed and you died. It's my fault. I'm sorry. I do apologize for this. This is stupid. You might wonder what this is all about. Well, you will see right now, you know, but first I have to prepare myself. Hey, el cubo azul. I have to prepare myself a little bit for this job over here. Being old, as you all know, I am a little bit old, so I need more tools so I make my job easier. In this case over here, I will not wear any gloves because when you wear gloves and work with ropes, you have to, you know, make a stronger grip on the rope, so I will not wear any gloves. So, as I was saying, I was upset, and I still am upset because this guy was fucking the things off. Because normally I'm not in charge with anything, you know. Normally I am just an employer who, because I'm better on putting ropes, I put ropes for my teammates because they have no idea. They only get on the wall and they start fixing the wall and they start painting the wall. Acho, esa no es mi paleta.
Bueno, pues ahora te la cambio.
Vale. So normally these guys are not rope axes. These guys are rope painters, or I don't know how you call that, someone who goes on the chair over here, gets to the wall and start painting, you know. So they are not like, you know, rope access technicians. You need to rescue, you need to, you know, with ropes, you need to do a lot of stuff, you know, a lot of things. So normally I need to put this on the right position. Hey,
¿Te vas para allá ya o te doy y sigo dando cosas?
me voy para allá. That means I'm going directly over there. So let's see if mine just fall down. Okay, so I'm here. I need to go a little bit more. And now, as you can see, Juan, bájamelo, is sending me down tools and stuff so I can fix this. I need to go a little bit higher. Now I'm rest so I can work only with my hands until I will use my pedal when I get tired. As you can see, this wall, it's a piece of crap, so I need to fix him like very good. I don't secure very good my bucket because, as you can see over there, I don't know if you can see, I will show you, I have 1.5 meters from the ground. Súbelo y bájame el cemento. Look over there, I have 1.5 meters, 3 meters, 2 meters, something like this. But we cannot walk on this roof because this roof is very fragile, you know. So let's fix this over here, which means I need to wet him a little bit to make him wet, so the new cement, the new concrete will glue on the old concrete. I need to make this corner over here. You know, yesterday I just put 2 hands on this concrete, and now I need to finish it. So bear with me. As you can see, this is pretty strong. Here comes my bucket of concrete. I think here I just left too much concrete. I need to go a little bit over there so I can fix this corner in a better position. Ya.
Ponme la otra paleta ahora.
Ahora. Valo. Okay. Bájalo un poquito más, ¿puedes? No, ya está. Let's make a note so I give him his tool up. Okay. Súbelo. Súbelo. Okay, now. I hate when people make mistakes and then apologize, you know, like, oh, you know, I'm sorry, you know, to make mistake, it's a human nature, and you know, well, and stuff like this. I hate it. So because there are some people in this world that are not allowed to make mistakes, you know, like me. Imagine me making mistakes. Some of you are not agreeing with me, you know, because you might say that this is cocky, this is stupid, this is, but it's also true, you know. This bucket is not very well placed there. ¿Qué? Ya está. Gracias. So I need to place this bucket there. So I need some carabiners so I place the bucket in a better work position. Oh my god, this. Well, now I received a couple of comments, one of them from a girl, from a woman. I don't remember her name. It's very important for me to remember the name because a lot of people get upset when I don't remember their names, but what do you want me to do? I'm retarded, so it's natural. It's normally that I don't remember names, you know. So this girl was criticizing me for a lot of things, you know. And in her comment she told me that she's better than me because she's younger, she's faster, she's nicer, she's more beautiful than I am, which is pretty difficult, you know, because as you all know, I'm the beautiful guy I ever seen, so you know, and she's a girl. I'm not sure if she's a girl or she's a girl lover, you know, because I searched her on Facebook, and because, you know, I like to know who I'm talking with, you know. This, I don't like this anonymous thing, you know. I am behind of my keyboard and I'm texting you and I'm criticize you, and yeah, but you know, who are you? Well, it's anonymous. Why do you have to be anonymous? Why? Well, because I don't want you to know who I am. Well, normally you should take responsibility for your words, you know. Like, look, dude, my name is this, okay? And I'm telling you, you are wrong, you know. Well, who are you? I am, you know, my name is, you know. Oh, okay. Well, I am level 3 for Irata, and I am telling you this. You are wrong. I cannot reach there, isn't it? Because of this bucket. Yeah. My position is very difficult because over here I have a wall, so my thing will not go over there. So I have to be on this side of the chair. So this girl will also told me that because he's younger than me and she's faster than me and stuff like this, she's better than me. Well, I'm not sure that this is the truth, you know, because let me explain to you something. When I came to this country, you know, they have a lot of differences, you know. Every country, they work on a different way of fixing things, on fixing buildings, on fixing walls. They have a different cement, they have a different paint, they have a lot of things, you know. So normally you come to a country and you are a very big professional, and in this new country you are nothing, you know. So in 10 years that I'm working in this country as rope access, I learn a lot of things, you know, in rope access, in fixing walls and stuff like this, you know. So if you are very young, like very young, you know, and you are proud of being very young, you know, that means that you lack experience. So I don't know if this is a compliment or not, being very young, you know. I don't know if this is an advantage. I don't think it is, you know, because there are a lot of very young guys that I work with and don't know how to fix this corner that I'm fixing right now, you know. They don't have the strategy that you need, and you know, so, and of course in her comment she called me a rope access cowboy, well, which is pretty upsetting because I saw cows only in some movies. I saw cowboys only in some movies. I like John Wayne and Clint Eastwood movies. So in the same comment she called herself that the real rope axes are superheroes. Well, because she's young and faster and stuff like this, which is pretty dumb thing to say, you know. Real rope axes. Well, let's talk about a little bit of this called real rope axes, you know. What is that? And this is my teammate cleaning the wall. What is that? Real rope axes, you know, not the cowboy rope axes. Well, you know, real rope axes don't have a chair like I do, you know. So this for you, my friends, as you can see my chair over here, it's stupid, it's not Irata, and it's not a lot of things that you know. So in your opinion, this is not real rope axis. Well, in your opinion, oh, my ribs, real rope axis will have a petzl, how do you call that, a petzl chair, you know, which will fuck up your back, you know, because I know I used a lot of petzl chairs, you know. I have one on my office, not my office, the company that I work with office, you know. So you cannot take all the buckets with you, and if you take them you will not reach very well at the bucket, so you can work, so you can fix this corner over here, so you can do pretty good job, you know. It's true, there are some company that don't accept my chair. This because they don't know that the chair it's only for comfort, it's not for safety, you know. And as you can see, I don't put my backup line on the IDs because my chair it's made with this kind of rope which goes behind the chair and do a pretty nice X over there, and I cannot fall from this chair. It's like my second harness, you know. So really the true rope axis superheroes, you know, they don't use this kind of chair because they don't have to make this kind of job. Well, now maybe I offend a couple of you guys because maybe you are good workers, you know. I do apologize, you know, but being a good worker, you should make yourself some improvements on your chairs, because the job, okay, that's not nice. The job asks you to do this kind of things, you know, and to hurry up and to do this and to do this good and to do this nice, and you know, you need to have this improvisation. You need to have it, because if I need to work in telecommunication or in wind, I don't know how you call them, that are producing electricity, I will not use this chair. But in my case I need to use it because I need to have 3 or 4 buckets with me. As you can see over there, I'm full of buckets. Okay, I will leave this to dry a little bit, so I will go on the other side to fix that brick wall over there. So my invention, it's coming with me. As you can see over there, I didn't have any option to fix this wall because the wall coming from there and is going over here, so I have my rope over there. So this was the only one possibility to fix this wall. So normally the real rope access technician should know when to improvise, when to not improvise, when to, you know, because this job, I think it's all about intelligence, you know, a little bit of strength, a little bit of, you know, I don't know, it's a mix. Because I saw a lot of smart guys that their hands doesn't work, and they don't have any skills, but they are very smart, so you know, and they need to make experience so the hand works properly, so you know the tools are working properly, so everything goes as planned and your company pays you good and stuff like this, you know. Being young means you don't have that kind of experience. So normally I think being old, it's an advantage, not a disadvantage. Like the girly girl was saying, like, I am younger, I am faster, I am prettier, I am girlier, and stuff like this, you know. I don't think that this is an advantage that you must have, you know. I will leave that also to dry a little bit so I can fix it later. And I will go a little bit on this side over here. Oh yeah, thank you. Okay. I need to go a little higher on that rope over here, so I will change this. Yeah, normally you should put 2 hand joomers, but I don't have 2 hand joomers, you know, because the company that I work for is not a very rich company, so my boss doesn't buy so many tools that he should. I don't agree with him. I'm totally disagreeing with him. I like to have a lot of tools, you know. Half of these tools that I have are mine because my boss doesn't buy them. So we have our differences in this matter. So I think soon I will change the company because, you know, it's not that I need a lot of tools to work with. Now is that this is a fishing job, you know. You want money, okay, give me tools and I will produce you the money, you know. But if you don't give me the tools that I need, you know, don't ask me to produce you a lot of money, like, you know, finish this fast, make this good. Well, I need more of that. Well, you cannot. Why don't you look, put this, dude, I need it, you know. So ¿cuándo quiere? So, you know, yeah, I really don't need now the safety line because I have two IDs that are 10s, so you normally don't need the safety line, but I have it anyway. So now my teammate will lower me a bucket of cement. Right into my lap. As you all saw, my teammate, it's a professional. Now I will fix more of this and then I will go over there and finish that as soon as my teammate will lower. Hey,
Me agarras la del seguro mejor.
¿por qué? Ah, no puede meterlo por abajo.
Que como juntas ahí.
Vale. Esa no.
Aunque tampoco sé cómo hacer.
Mira, Juan. Bájalo por la esquina y lo cojo yo. ¿No?
¿Por aquí?
Sí. Por abajo de la cuerda, por la esquina, por aquí.
¿Por donde voy? ¿No? Por donde estoy, ¿no?
Sí. Y José puede empujármelo un poquito para llegar más para mí. Eso es. As soon as I will have my bucket with cement, I will start fixing this. I need to wet him again. This needs to be very wet so this cement will glue on the bricks. So
Pero no engancha a José de la tuba de la cuerda y ya va solo para allá.
en esa. Acho, pero le he dado 5 vueltas encima de toda la cuerda, José.
Da igual, igual.
Ahora. No, he puesto el otro mosquetón allí, Juan. He puesto, ¿no? As you can see, the process of lowering the bucket, it's pretty difficult because of this wall that we need to fix and I don't have any, you know. Sí, la ha atado. Ok.
Paleta acá está.
Bom.
Oh,
Bom. Ya está. Sube. Gracias. I forgot my tools on that old bucket. Okay. Well, on this point, many of you will criticize my technique that using my hand and working with this bucket, because I don't have my bucket attached. But you know, I'm not working in like 20 floors with people behind me, with people down there, you know. I'm just working here, no one. So with my bucket, I'm talking about, you know, if my bucket will fall down, it's almost no big deal. Normally I don't drop any bucket, you know. Well, at this point, I think you should know yourself pretty well, so you can use the technique that it fits for you. So for example, me personally, I see a lot of guys on YouTube or in real life using a lot of tool, and they attach their tools, you know, and I totally agree with them. But in my case, I know myself, so yeah, you might say that accident could happen, and you know, you can drop your bucket or something could happen to your hand and you could drop your bucket. This is also true, but you know, now we are talking about science fiction and what if, and what if, which when you are in hurry to finish the wall, what if doesn't have any place in your job, you know. What if. So some of you are lucky enough, so they don't need to hurry up to finish the job, because you know, your job is expensive, so you know, so you don't need to hurry up. But in my case, on the crisis, you know, because every boss will use this word like, you know, it's a crisis, you know, it's the fault of the crisis. So you know, there are pretty nasty times, you know. The people, the clients are cheaper than should be, and you know, and stuff like, I don't really care about stuff like this. I just doing my job, and you should do yours. So I don't really give a shit about, you know, how expensive the job is, how cheap the job is, you know, because normally with so much work that we have, you should take expensive jobs, you know, with the teams or of professional that we have. You should take expensive jobs. So of course I care a little bit of the prices, because you know, but normally the job of the bosses are to take jobs, you know. so I can make the job that you took on. If you don't do your job well, I cannot make my job well. But you know, someone wants you to do your job well and they don't do theirs, so it's coming to a place that you know what I mean, guys. Okay, let's see this. Oh, this is great. I need to go over there and fix this, so let's go. Oh, no, so I need to get closer to the wall, so this will stay here. Now I need to take this off and put it right over here so I can have him with me. This is like protection for my rope and for the wall, so I will take this off so I can get closer to the wall. Juan, bájame más agua, porfa. O te doy el cubo y me pones allí agua. Vale. Espera un poquito. ¿Me das agua? Vale, dámelo, cuando tú quieres. It's almost 9 o'clock. At 10 o'clock in the morning we will eat something. So okay, let's go over there so we can fix that corner right over here. Let's see. Oh, this is still fresh. This is not working very well. Still fresh, that means if I put some water on this guy over here, I think will fall down. But I need to fix this right over here, because if they go stronger, I cannot fix them anymore. So, look at this guy. Send me some water. Espera. Bájalo más. Normally on my videos I'm not posting how I do the job, how I fix the wall, or how I do this, how I do that. So normally, sube, you will think se pone solo. So you will think that my job in this company or in the other company, it's like only to put ropes. Well, it's not true. I'm working. As you can all see, fixing walls and stuff like this, you know. And as you can see, I'm doing a pretty good job. I'm not the best in this because there are more guys that are best than me, that are better than me. I receive a lot of comments like, why don't you block your ID? Well, I have one of them because people, when they see my videos, they are not like really watching them, you know, and they see like 20 seconds on the video and they will like, well, you know, dude, now bear with me just a second and I will finish this really fast. It's not very dry, so maybe some parts of this will fall down. I hope not. So, because I need to show you guys how this will came off, you know, so I didn't wait too much. So this can be properly dry out. But I will leave the part when this is wet. I will leave it to fixing later. I will just make the part that is dry, because as you can see over here, it's pretty wet, you know? Look at this moving. So over here also, so I think I will leave him, I will not give him more water, so he can dry out faster. I will try to give him a form. I will not use this. I need to use this tool now, so I can cut him in a form that I like, and then when he will dry out, I will come and fix him good. Okay, that's for now. Let's go over there and finish that, or at least try to finish that, because I see that that doesn't dry out. It's pretty wet, so let's go and see how we are doing over here. Yeah, it's pretty wet also, so I will put some material on this side of the wall. Right over here I need to climb more. I need to take this dust off a little bit, so my new cement have a good base. to stick on, you know, and to make this. Okay, the base now it's almost good, and I will fill this until this will dry out a little bit. It's pretty wet, as you can see over here, but I think you saw enough, we talked enough. I will see you on the next job. Yeah, I took my helmet because I have my camera on my helmet. Stop judging. And I will see you on the next video, guys. Be safe, good luck, and have fun. Bye bye.